Formation of a creative environment for decision-making in business based on the construction of intelligent maps using information technology. The study is devoted to the study of the possibilities of using smart cards in order to form a creative environment for decision-making in business. The growing level of competition requires new, innovative approaches to solving any problem in business. As a result, the requirements for the company's employees are changing. Formation of the creative thinking is one of the most important parts of the soft skills of experts in marketing, management, and entrepreneurship. This leads to the need to develop creative skills of staff and the formation of a creative decision-making environment in enterprise. Creativity, the ability to introduce and develop new approaches to solving problems, answers to questions facing the subject, or express ideas, apply and secret knowledge. The use of creativity leads to non-standard thinking, which means that the generally accepted rules and restrictions are set aside in order to find innovative approaches to solving problems. Thus, focusing on creativity and innovation is important, as most problems may require approaches that have never been developed or tested before. A creative environment can be formed through the use of certain techniques. They help to get the right way of thinking of decision makers and provide a basic structure for achieving new ideas on demand. One such method is to build mental maps. Intelligence or mind maps are an effective way to memorize, think, remember, solve creative problems, as well as the ability to display and visualize the processes of information processing, changing them, and improve. This is a schematic representation of the key ideas, the main points of the speaker's speech, the most important action plan. With their help, it's convenient to structure information. These maps are also called thinking maps, thought map, or connection diagram. Mental maps are a tool that allows convenient and simple work with information, understand, memorize, establish logic. Apply for the presentation of ideas, projects, and a clear explanation of their position in the communication process. Develop projects, create plans, make decisions. Thus, the ability to build mental cards will allow the employee to be more effective not only in the creative process, but also in the development and decision-making, improve communication skills using visual information, and allow you to organize teamwork. The basic rules for building smart cards include the following. Adhere to the hierarchy of opinions. The most important question is registered in the center. Graphic images, icons, drawings will be appropriate. Add volume to the images, blocks, branches. This makes the card easier to perceive. Leave the distance between the blocks. If you want to focus on the relationship between the elements, it is advisable to use arrows, lines the same color. Express thoughts clearly and consciously. The font is clear, one keyword about the proper line. The main lines should be smooth and bold. The words are recommended to be placed horizontally. Table 1 presents the software that was selected according to the criteria of price and functionality. It is concluded that all applications have free versions which to the same extent are functionally limited. Among the paid applications, the MindMaster software had the greatest functionality. It should be used when many users are working in the process of creating ideas, discussing and making decisions. If the company is just starting to work with smart cards, it is recommended to start with Koggle. The free version of Koggle has the basic features that are necessary for use in the first steps of working with smart cards. Conclusion. The use of intelligence cards will create a decision-making environment in the enterprise which will promote not only the manifestation of creative potential of employees but also the development of communication abilities, teamwork, critical thinking. The use of special software when creating smart cards allows you to replenish the information and analytical base of decision-making and minimize the risks of losing valuable information. As a result, we can expect an increase of the level of innovation of the decision that will be made.